exam in general?
It was easy.
What sections were tough?
I guess logical reason was tough.
Which was easy then?
Maths and English was pretty easy. Maths was moderate, but logical reasoning was. I felt logical reasoning was.
Are you a repeater or a first time? Then how was the time management?
Time was there, a lot of time was there, but logical reasoning questions I was not able to do.
Thank you.
Easier than last year. I think logical reasoning was easier, but few questions were really time taking, especially if you I got stuck in and you take 5 minutes, 7 minutes, and then you realize you can't do it and you have to go to the next one. I think quant was a bit challenging this time. I think quant was harder this time than last year, and quant you have to selectively do those questions. Accuracy is more important, I think. And in English, I think most of the stuff was easy, but the comprehension, some of the questions were tricky. So yeah.
How was the time management?
Time management was good. Yeah, I think the time was sufficient for whatever we did. I think I had enough time to do everything and also look back and revise and see where all I missed out. So yeah, I think time was sufficient.